Imagine standing outside before sunrise on a cool August morning. The world is quiet. As darkness fades, something magical appears in the sky, a line of planets shining above the sleepy Earth. This is no ordinary dawn. You look up and see not just one, or two, but 6 planets sharing the sky. The sight is honestly just breathtaking. On August 12, 2026, a planet parade will be visible to anyone willing to wake up early and gaze skyward. So, what is a planet parade? Simply put, it's when several planets appear in a row, visible together from Earth. They don't truly line up in space, but from our view, they form a striking arc across the sky. This August, 6 planets, Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, will all be visible in the morning, just before sunrise. Why is this special? Normally planets hide behind the sun, or only a few are visible at once. Seeing 6 at the same time is rare, no telescope needed for most. Saturn is the farthest planet you'll see with the naked eye during this parade. Saturn's rings aren't just pretty, they tell a story. Some scientists think they're leftovers from a shattered moon. If you look closely, Saturn doesn't twinkle like a star, that's a clue. When you look up at the early dawn sky, 2 planets immediately grab your attention, Jupiter and Mars. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is the brightest of all the planets on display. If you're up before sunrise and spot a bright, unwavering white light low in the eastern sky, you're almost certainly looking at Jupiter. Now let's turn our gaze to Mars. While it's smaller and dimmer than Jupiter, Mars is instantly recognizable thanks to its striking red-orange color. Farther out, 2 mysterious planets join the lineup, Uranus and Neptune. They are hard to spot without binoculars or a small telescope, but they're worth searching for. Uranus is unique, it spins almost completely sideways. Neptune is the farthest planet in the parade. It glows with a soft blue light, thanks to methane gas in its atmosphere. Mercury is the trickiest planet to spot in the parade. It's the closest planet to the sun, and it moves quickly across the sky. Mercury doesn't hang around for long, it's only visible briefly just before sunrise. Because it's so close to the sun, Mercury often gets lost in the glare. That's why timing is everything. Look for Mercury about 30 to 45 minutes before sunrise. Once the sky starts to brighten, Mercury will quickly fade away. Getting the best view of the planet parade is easy if you follow a few simple steps. First, you'll want to wake up early. About an hour before sunrise is ideal. The planets are most visible in the pre-dawn sky. Next, scout out a location with a clear, unobstructed view of the eastern and southeastern horizon. Start your search by looking for the brightest planets first, Jupiter and Saturn. Once you've found them, use their positions to guide your eyes along the arc of the parade. The other planets will be spaced out along the same line. Mars will stand out as a reddish dot, glowing softly near the others. Mercury is the trickiest. It's lowest on the horizon, right where the sun will soon rise. Uranus and Neptune are much fainter and farther out. You'll need binoculars or a small telescope to spot them, but they'll be following the same arc as the brighter planets. Events like this August 2026 planet parade don't happen every day, and missing them is easy if you don't know where to look. Subscribe to Life and Nature Matters right now for front-row access to the universe's greatest spectacles, skywatching guides, and the stories behind our planet.